Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to change the subtitle size in Nioh 3. To change the subtitle size, first open the system window. Then navigate to the basic game settings, and in this menu simply swap to the third page, as you can see at the bottom. Then look to the subtitle size. As you can see, by the default it is set to standard. You can set it to standard, bigger and large. You can see the changes at the bottom of the screen, right here. Of course, choose whatever one you prefer. I will go with large subtitles. Once you make your choice, simply press the back button. Press it once again, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.